Okay, so today we're going to start talking about multiplying fractions. I have my problem all set up here, but before we do that, I want to actually revisit the idea of multiplication just in general. So I have some screenshots that I can show you here. So if we start off with a really simple problem like 3 times 5, if we were to make an array of that, we would have 3 going down, and then we would have 5 going across, and we would make an array that has 15 little dots. And you can count the array and you can get your actual answer. So that's how actual multiplying is going to work. But with fractions, it's going to be a little bit different, because what we're actually going to be talking about is going to be parts of a whole. So for the purposes of this video, I'm going to be multiplying, just like I have written down right here, 3/10, which is the pink, and then 5/10, which is the blue. And I've got some more pictures to show you. So I've got my 3/10 right here, and I've got my 5/10 right here. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to make a row of 3/10 and 5/10. I'm going to make an array just like I did with my, just exactly like I did when I was making my array over here. Just like this, it's the same thing. I've just made an array of 5/10 and 3/10. And if I were to count those, I would get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I would end up with 15, and I don't actually have tenths anymore. I actually have hundredths. So to go back to this right here, when it comes to multiplication, all I'm going to do is multiply the tops and multiply the bottoms. But you'll notice that my answer actually gets smaller, because 15 over 100 is much smaller than 3/10 or 5/10. It's just a small portion of it. But it's exactly like what we did in regular multiplication. We made an array, but instead of getting bigger, it actually gets smaller. That's really all there is to it.